Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to automatically create summaries of your Power BI report using Smart Narrative Visual. The Smart Narrative Visual uses artificial intelligence to provide a quick text summary of your visuals and reports. Now we'll see how to add a Smart Narrative for a page, for a visual, and a Smart Narrative icon to a visual. In the visualization pane, select the Smart Narrative icon. Power BI creates a text box with auto-generated text describing interesting features of data in your report. For example, here he generated a summary of the report's visual that addresses revenue, website visits, and sales. The Smart Narrative Summary is highly customizable. You can edit or add to the existing text by using the text box commands. To customize the summary or add your own insights, use dynamic values. You can map text to existing fields and measures. For example, to add information about the number of returned items in the sample file, add a value. I'll say returned items are returned item counts are. Values this add value and I'll say returns. Then click on save. You can see here it added the returned items counts. To speak about the visual interactions, a summary is dynamic. It automatically updates the generated text and dynamic values when you cross filter. For example, if you select Lego products in the donut chart here, the rest of the report is cross filtered and the summary is also cross filtered to focus on the Lego products. To add a summary to each individual visual, right click on the visual, click on Summarize. You can choose to pin the summary to report page. Smart Narratives generates up to 4 summaries per visual and up to 16 per page. Now we'll see how to add a Smart Native icon to a visual. You can add an optional icon to the header of a visual that triggers an on-demand summary of the visual contents. You can enable it in the Format pane for individual visuals. Select a visual and in the Format pane, select General. Expand the header sections, then expand the icon section and set the Smart Narrative to on. Now here you can see additional icon called Smart Narrative. When your report readers hover over the visual, they can see and select the Smart Narrative icon to expose a text explanation of the visual. Thanks for watching.